Now this is where the snake was that JT found.
Now I want to see Jeffrey's snake.
But no, they had it fishing string to this, so when I picked it up, it would scare the shit out of me, or actually your
yeah,
mother.
I saw the video.
Yeah, I wasn't scared though when I found it.
Right.
So.
It was very real looking.
Jeffrey's used to big snakes, aren't you?
That's right. Every day in the mirror, I'm like, wow, I wish there was a big snake there.
How the hell are you getting up in the mirror?
That's the problem, it doesn't.
You got to cock your leg to get it up in the mirror.
It takes an
correct?
imagination of mine.
Right. Okay, the other thing that really pissed me off though was the Polaris. It's about me right now. The Polaris, the hose, I had to fix it, but they cut the hose.
They cut the umbilical cord to the device?
They cut the umbilical cord to the device, yeah, which is bullshit.
Wait, that's expensive.
Right, and then your mom's raft.
You're positive that they did that?
No, I'm not positive. It could have been a neighbor, because you know I got issues with my neighbors too.
He doesn't know for sure. He's just he's just assuming. I told you we need to find out.
No, it doesn't come out. You don't pull on the hose.
Jeffrey, we get it. It's long. We understand that you have some heat packed. You don't have to overhear finding phallic symbols always.
Yeah, everybody leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about that.
What do you divulge? Oh,
some plan of how to retaliate.
We do this every week, Ma. What do you want? You want us to just spill our brain matter into the pool?
No, I'm not.
Keep it on the concrete.
What?
No, but either way, I fixed that. But the other thing is your mom.
Something really, smart.
Yeah. So.
Wait, how you been, Jack? I called you. How long ago?
Yeah, you didn't tell me she was coming here. Ma, you didn't say she was coming. What the hell's this?
Father called her.
I wanted to get the group together. I wanted to pick her brain, even though I think she phoned us.
Does she even know we're out here?
Yeah, she knows now since we hollered at her.
Yo, what are you doing here?
What are you doing? Remodeling?
What are you doing?
No, I'm gonna paint.
Hey! Where were you the other week?
Oh, I was sick.
Sick? Well, don't be coming up in here.
Why are we in here?
You've been sick like for 3 months?
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Right. Every time I saw you, you've been
I still have something.
Right.
Yeah. Well, don't get too close.
That's a lot of snot in Abraham.
You know, guilt causes sicknesses?
Guilt of what?
You tell me.
I don't know. I don't know. What guilt? Do you know anything about what they did? What did they do? There was a snake in the skimmer?
Ma, I am locked onto her face right now, so like, if you want to watch this footage back. Yeah, what are you, sucking on a mint?
No, my lips were dry, so.
Oh, from lying? From spinning lies?
So what kind of game are you playing now? So were you really sick?
Jeffrey, I can't be bad cop. You gotta run in on this.
I feel like I shouldn't say anything in front of
Nah. You gotta have my back here, dude. You gotta be the Inquisition over here.
Actually puke. I did puke.
Dude,
was it a little bit?
Roll in on that. Call her out.
Talking about anything is just going to be used against me.
Demonstrate.
No, I don't need. You can stick your finger down your throat and puke again.
Yeah.
That's up to you. But don't do it.
What?
Don't do it.
Okay, no, wait a minute. I want to find out how you knew that they were doing the snake. How did you know that? Yes, because they called me over.
Huh?
They called you over. They called
They got you on speed dial?
to talk.
I think everybody has you on speed dial now, don't they?
It's not a thing.
Yeah.
What?
They called me over to talk to me about what went on. Joe is very, very, very upset, naturally.
But we don't give a shit about Joe's feelings in this.
We don't care.
What's he upset about?
Right.
In your perspective.
I'm sure he likes mashed potatoes.
Well, I don't think he really
It was a lighthearted prank. It was practically a joke.
Yes, of course. Anyway, they were sitting there talking. So they really want me to help them do something. So I'm like, this is really good.
So is that what you're doing here?
Yes, this was really good.
So is that why you're here?
I knew you weren't here, so I knew it wouldn't affect you. You know, like with the...
Wait, so you were involved in the planning of it?
Yeah.
So...
That's what I'm gathering now too. Hence why she's here.
Whose idea was it? Was this Joe's idea?
Why couldn't you give like a heads up or something?
Oh, now he shows up.
Right.
Actually, Larry's. So Larry. But Joe was like.
Oh, you're talking about Uncle Larry?
Liked it. Yeah. Yeah.
I thought, yeah.
Joe really liked the idea.
Yeah, I thought it was Larry's too.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Look at the puzzled look.
It might have been Joe.
That I'm spinning.
Yeah.
That's why your lips are dry. You're sucking on your finger too much.
Because I also know that Larry said, or Joe said something about you got that snake.
So it was
I didn't know they
Larry's
had a
eye.
snake.
It was,
Okay.
oh, so it was Joe's
Well, who's
eye.
damaging property?
It might have been Joe's
Because I
idea.
got, Jack, I got damaged property. I got damaged property.
Okay, wait a minute.
Did they cut the hose to my Polaris? Because that thing was cut.
Polaris? What's
My
a
little guy
Polaris?
that swims around and picks
The
up
pool
dirt,
cleaner.
My lazy ass don't have to.
No, but you know what? When I was standing over here and they were tying that snake, I was standing over here and I even said something to Tom.
Tom did it?
Tom.
No.
Did Tom have
No,
his
but
stuff
listen,
on watch
no.
already?
I said, there's something wrong with that thing. I said, because it was facing up to the steps.
Yeah, it comes up there and it turns and comes down.
No, it wasn't moving. It just stayed there.
You're blaming the robot?
It doesn't.
Oh, well then that's what the problem
Right,
is.
but the hose was hooked, right?
As far as I knew.
Right,
yeah.
right. So
Yeah.
Tom did it.
Am I understanding you were here? Watching them do this.
Yeah, that's pretty much aiding and abetting.
And then you left with them. Did you? What'd you do for the
Why
rest
she
of the
look
day?
over your head to the right?
Yeah.
Isn't that the sign?
Why didn't you come back
Jackie?
here and then fix
No,
everything
I'm
that they
trying to
did?
think.
Because I have to make
All
it
right.
look like I'm on their side, remember?
Well, what if you're doing that to us?
Right.
And can I ask you,
You could have fixed that.
who put the squirrel on my
Oh, well, I
knee?
thought that would be cute to put the little squirrel and put him
So
on the little
you
raft.
did that.
To put him on the little raft.
And why did you do that?
Just because I was over there looking at your thing. and
That seems
I
like a
said, "Oh,
signature.
Let me put the little.
That seems like a signature you put at the end of your work.
So in other
Yeah.
words, you're playing both sides.
No.
Obviously. That's
No.
literally exactly what you're doing.
Who?
You're barefooted standing on the fence, like
No, that would
teetering
hurt.
from both sides.
No, I think she's on their side. Actually, I think it's tilted a little bit more. Because we didn't see her before, and then all of a
Now,
sudden...
before you all go, now you're all going after me and all this and whatnot, right? I'm on my way over there because they plan on attacking you guys tonight.
What?
This evening?
So wait, you're going over there to help them attack us?
So you got us all
I'm
congregated here.
actually-
Yo, I don't like this.
Is there somebody coming through the wall?
I don't know. What are they supposed to be doing?
Now you're setting
That I don't know.
Shut the gate.
That I don't know.
Yeah, why don't you shut the gate, Dad? That's literally why we got it. Dude keeps it open at
That's
24/7.
because we got Amazon Mama here, because everything's Amazon.
Jesus.
Amazon
Amazon
go to the
box
gate.
in front of it, so the Amazon just goes.
About the plan.
You don't order from Nomazon?
Nomazon. She's all pure Nomazon.
But you don't know anything else about the plan? You
Know
just
nothing
know
about
that it's
the
going
plan.
to
Of course
be
not.
tonight and that
Uh-huh.
and you're in on this.
I don't know.
What?
I'm just going over there.
the-
Because I'm supposed to go over there when they call, aren't I? Aren't I supposed to be finding out?
Elon Musk tweeted, when something don't add up, it's usually bullshit.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, I know, I like that.
That's the only
I
thing
dropped a
about
big
Elon
like
I
on
like.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I retweeted that.
And before you guys come
I
over
might
here,
retweet that one too.
you have to either text us and let us know.
Right.
Or give
can do
us a
that.
heads
Alright.
up.
I can do that.
Like say, oh, I gotta go take a shit. I'm gonna go and take my phone.
See, I don't know what
then
they
do
would be planning if they're having you
yeah,
come
right.
over and attack, but they're not going to tell you
No.
what you're doing.
Right.
Actually, I like that idea.
Which actually-
It's a massive
Which
shit
actually-
in their
Larry's
bathroom and doesn't flush it.
Right.
No, take it. She should take a shit in
Jack,
the back
come on,
part.
listen to what JT's saying.
Just open up the back
but-
lid of the backfill and shit in there.
Before I go over.
Now that would be good.
Or take a bag of shit.
I don't know.
Take a bag of shit with you somehow
All right,
in there
that's all I
and dump
know.
it in the toilet.
All right, well
and
then
act like
you
she
go
did it.
over there
That could
and
work,
you
too.
just text.
What if somebody else goes over and not her for a change? You know, we're over here
But
trusting
then
the.
they're not going to do
Yeah, they
anything.
won't do anything.
Yeah,
right?
they're going to
lock
act
the
like
door,
nonchalant.
Well, isn't that what we want for them not to do anything?
To a
isn't that the point
yeah,
here?
But
You know what?
We should send John
you know
over.
something.
Yeah.
No, they don't know that. You didn't tell them, did you? That they're here?
How would she know we were here? I just freaking
They
got here,
think-
dude.
They think
Jeff
just
got a
me
hold
and
of me.
Right.
Yes, but you didn't tell them that they're here though, right?
I didn't know they were here.
Right. So then they think they're going to pull this prank on just me and Jeff, and
That's
all
what I
of you
would think.
guys
There's
are going to
enough of them
pull
to think
this
they can
prank
do
on
that.
us.
I would assume so. They said they were planning on something tonight.
So me and Jeffrey are ghosts, and we can technically be like
Right.
Call of Duty ghosts and like Gillies in the Mist, and then just like,
Not do anything.
yeah.
You could probably. Never.
Just along for the ride.
I can't say it in front of Jackie.
Oh yeah,
Just
it's probably
because she went over
best.
there and
Yeah.
said, "Hey, look, You know,
or tell her the one idea, but then tell her the one idea, then we do the other idea, you know?
Poop in the back of the toilet.
Yeah, that's what we're going with then, Jackie.
Get all
yeah, don't tell anyone though. Don't tell anyone.
All John and Luna's shit.
We're doing it that way.
Yeah, and you be a big bag in.
Backup plan in case you can't
over and you go in.
Yeah, it's hard sometimes. I get it.
For the last 3 months, and you know, and you walk in there and you dump all John and Luna's shit in this toilet, and then don't flush it. And then you come out and click the light.
And it's a lot too these days. John's been shitting endlessly.
And it's just full, smoldering in there.
You're sick.
Yeah, well that's true.
Yeah, don't tell him about this though. Please don't.
What would that be perfect? And then here comes Tom in. And he sees all that under there. Dad, you know, it'd be perfect, wouldn't it?
No.
What are you shaking your head for? That is a good idea.
I think it'd be pretty good.
Who's going to go collect all of John and Luna's
You know,
crap?
I'll collect every damn bit of turd.
Wait, something's not right with my ritual here. I can't sit here for an hour.
I'll hold everyone up to the window.
Is he expecting you at a certain time? What time is it?
I have no idea.
Time to get a watch. Oh, zing! You're out of here.
Ho ho.
We'll go check the car and drive over there and let them know. Let them know we're shitting all over them.
Okay.
I'll text you.
You'll text me.
Yeah. Not call.
Yeah,
Not
It's
call.
almost like a partial stroke she just did.
Don't text me.
Well, yeah, it's probably the wire she's wearing is too
I
tight.
don't know. She should give me a little more information than just you're headed over. Yeah, whatever. Like, well, do you think they'll tell you?
Without them being suspicious.
If they tell you what you're doing, you text me that.
My brain hurts.
That's the family finger right there.
I wish we could just trust people again. And Jackie, you betray our trust again, you're getting duct taped to a tree.
And then what do you go write on it, Jess?
Huh?
Remember back in Cherry Stem, what they write on
something that probably would get you canceled now.
You guys are crazy.
Yeah.
All right.
It wasn't funny.
All right.
Yo, wait, is that a wire? Oh, never mind. Thought I saw something.
Hey, thanks.
My text.
Yo, dog.
Well, do you want to know what they're going to do, or do you just want
whatever you can get to it?
If they tell you what they're going to do, yes, tell us so we can prepare.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to
tell us everything, please.
All right.
Don't tell them anything.
Yeah.
Right.
Tell
Don't
us.
tell them that they're here.
No.
Remember, we're the good guys.
Right.
All right.
So are hydrangeas a perennial?
Yes.
Yes, they are.
I thought so.
I don't know.
But all the shit.
We gotta think of something really quickly because
I was going to talk about the hydrangea tree.
Well, it depends on what they're doing.
I thought we were going to do the poop thing and pretend we weren't doing the poop thing, but then still do it anyway because it's shit and like you can't beat that.
Maybe
You can't beat that.
Maybe we should run over there with the bag of shit, and then when she goes to the bathroom, she opens up the window, and then we put the bag of shit in there, then she can dump it.
I don't
Because everybody
understand why
poops.
you're
Everything
so obsessed with it.
poops.
No, we have to do something.
Wait, what if we just pranked Aunt Jackie?
Let's see. Now we don't have any thought.
No, let's prank.
again-
We should prank Aunt Jackie.
Don't get your anger.
Turns out we tell her that the shop closing was a prank. And it's actually still open, and she's got to go to work tomorrow. And there's an order of 1,000 covers. Oh, all right.
All right, so we'll come up with some ideas. We could.
We have to search. We have to search for something.
What, like Google search?
No, in the basement.
if we-
I have.
Mom just found out what Google was. She's like, there's this cool new thing.
You can search for things.
Uncle Larry loves his twinkle lights.
What?
On his
He
back
loves his
deck.
twinker.
His twinker on his back
What are you
deck.
talking
Those
about?
little lights. What if we snip them little wires?
Hon, they're coming here.
I know, but we're just thinking of different ideas for the future, I guess, because it's
What
crazy.
No, we have to come up with something now.
Shoot.
I'm gonna go look in the
What if we
basement
run
and
them
see if we
over?
have something.
Right. What if we put a dummy in the driveway and they actually run over it? You know, we like throw it out in from the woods.
Scary safety guy.
Yeah, right. We can come up with something. Why can't we? They would really feel bad if they ran somebody over. Or
I
like
think that will get you demonetized though, probably.
Once again, we're talking about ideas that like we shouldn't be posting to YouTube. So like hush hush, right? You want me to kill this thing?
Yeah.
All right.